Whenever you're facing a painting project, whether it's for your house, car, or other larger objects, using rollers and brushes might not be enough to do the trick, and they're certainly going to take a lot longer. This is where a paint sprayer can come to the rescue. Aside from the amazing fact that it can help you save a lot of your precious time and energy, it can also paint, treat, and stain up to 4 times faster than any other traditional method. Airless sprayers are pressured streams of paint or stain that do not rely on airflow to force the material out of the sprayer, making them extremely portable. And since it's airless, it eliminates the chance of air mixing with the paint or sealant, thus providing a smoother, bolder finish than their counterparts. Well, if you're interested in getting one of these airless sprayers but not sure which one to buy, stay tuned as we'll bring you the 5 best airless sprayers to make your painting experience a whole nother level. Let's begin. At number 1 is the Magnum Pro X19 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Best known for its Pro X change pump system and its ability to spray unthinned paint, the Pro X19 can support up to 150 feet of paint hose and supports larger tip sizes for spraying heavier coatings. The Pro X change pump replacement system allows you to replace the pump on the job with no tools, letting you get the work done in less time. You can spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket with its flexible suction tube and clean up in no time with a power flush adapter. In addition, it has a fully adjustable pressure to give you the ultimate control of paint flow for any project size. The RAC4 switch tip allows you to reverse the tip when clogged to keep spraying. And the SG3 metal spray gun with built-in swivel and in-handle filter blocks debris to prevent clogs. What's more is it comes with a power flush adapter that connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning, a prime button for fast and reliable startup, as well as a convenient aluminum cart that allows you to have a smoother movement of the sprayer. It includes the SG3 metal spray gun with the built-in swivel, an RAC4 515 switch tip, 50 feet of Duraflex paint hose, pump armor storage, and the Pro Series line of sprayers is ideal for property and contractor jobs. At number 2 is the Wagner Control Pro 190 High Efficiency Airless Sprayer. With its highly efficient airless system new tip technology, overspray decreases by up to 55%, providing you with softer spray, improved control, and a more consistent finish. This paint sprayer applies a consistent, high-quality finish on larger home improvement projects such as decks, fences, exterior house siding, interior walls, and more. This Control Pro sprayer has a max operating pressure of 1600 psi that can spray up to 500 gallons per year. It also features an all-metal gun and utilizes a 50-foot hose to spray even the biggest projects easily. At number 3 is the ControlMax 1500 High-Efficiency Airless Sprayer. Just like the Wagner Control Pro 190, the Titan ControlMax 1500 is also helped to take the fear out of airless spraying, make it easier for you to spray like a pro. Its high-efficiency airless system's new technology decreases the overspray by 55% while providing a softer spray, improved control, and more consistent finish. The HEA pump is durable and a powerful sprayer that can spray unthinned coatings with a rebuildable fluid section that maximizes the sprayer's life. The Titan ControlMax 1500 airless sprayer provides serious do-it-yourselfers and handymen high output with more control and less mess. It can be used not only in interior but also exterior jobs with unthinned paints, stains, and with walls, ceilings, or other surfaces. The ControlMax sprays up to 0.29 gallons per minute through the 515 spray tip, and it has an adjustable pressure from the 0.55 horsepower motor. Additionally, different HEA size tips are sold separately to match your coating and project needs. The sprayer pulls paint directly from a 1 or 5-gallon bucket, and for added convenience, and when you're done spraying, you can store your tips and tools in the integrated storage. At number 4 is the Power-Flo Pro 2800 Airless Paint Sprayer. Large household projects are no longer intimidating, thanks to the Power-Flo Pro 2800. It's the perfect paint sprayer for a homeowner to accomplish all your do-it-yourself projects without having to hire a professional. By painting and staining projects yourself, you'll end up saving thousands of dollars and walk away with a beautiful finish. The Power-Flo Pro is ideal for spraying unthinned latex and oil-based paints, stains, and sealers. The pressure of this 2,800 psi allows you to tackle large projects quickly and with professional results. It applies an even coating to uneven surfaces, which makes it the go-to option when painting your home exterior, garage, shed, or fence. Assembling the Power-Flo Pro spray gun is quick and easy, which means there's more time for painting. A reversible spray tip is also included to remove any potential clogs. The pressure control knob allows the user more control over the paint flow by dialing in the perfect spray pattern. Furthermore, moving the Power-Flo Pro is simple thanks to the top carry handle. The sprayer also draws paint directly from a 1 or 5-gallon can, which allows for further portability. It's undoubtedly easier to maneuver as it has a 25-foot long non-kink hose to reach your painting projects easily. At number 5 is the ProTip corded sprayer from Ryobi, uniquely designed with reversible spray tip for hassle-free use. This paint sprayer was the very first to be fitted with a reversible tip. The design of the ProTip lets you rotate it 180 degrees to clear clogs quickly and rotate back to continue spraying, so you can achieve the professional results you want at an affordable price. ProTip is ideal for a wide variety of painting or staining projects, including decks, fences, garage doors, cabinets, closet doors, trim, storage sheds, or outdoor furniture. It has a grip zone which provides optimum grip and user comfort, a noise reduction design for quieter operation, a unique filter that's designed to pick up paint with the lowest point for continuous spray, a quick lock container that easily locks into place to prevent spills, a tungsten carbide tip that sprays latex paint or stain, and a 2-year limited warranty. With this type of paint sprayer, one can effortlessly perform a job that's comparable to a professional. Painting can be a tedious task, but painting with an airless paint sprayer is a game changer. You'll have fun because they're so easy to use, and most importantly, you'll feel like a pro after you see the results. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you again here at the ReviewTube channel.